during the COVID, do you think lockdown was good, from your perspective?
Of course, I mean, it was the worst thing that people have gone through, but for us, it was like it was great because it just because when you're building on something and you're making money out of one vertical, you want to spend naturally more time there. So both of us, we never gave our 100% to TGR, and we didn't know that what a gold mine we're sitting on. So COVID, the lockdown specifically, not COVID, the lockdown came as a blessing to us, wherein both of us were confined in the same space. We were in the house and we just did everything on our own, from taking pictures, curating hampers, running our Instagram page, building a website. So that's how all of it came together, and we were finally able to launch it in a proper manner.
Okay, and what is the brand value right now?
The brand value?
Yeah. Like, what is the worth of the brand right now? How much sale did you guys do in 2024?
So we're a $1 million company now.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Awesome. And यार तो मैं हिंदी में सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ, आपके जवाब पूरी तरह अंग्रेजी में हो जा रहे हैं.
ये हमारे साथ, क्योंकि अब कमिंग फ्रॉम असम, हमें वहाँ पे ना हिंदी भी पढ़ाते थे तो उसको समझाते इंग्लिश में थे. तो मुझे हिंदी बोलनी आती है पूरा, बहुत अच्छे से पढ़नी वढ़नी आती है, बट मेरा ब्रेन जो है वो इंग्लिश में.
We pushed very hard to start doing what you got as a gift in childhood. हमको बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ी to start thinking English.
या बट अगर आप चाहते हो मैं हिंदी में बात
नहीं,
करूं
that's
तो
fine.
मैं कर
I hope मेरे कुछ तो होंगे सब्सक्राइबर जो इंग्लिश समझ पाते होंगे. चलिए, आपने अपने प्रोफाइल में एक सवाल है, क्योंकि आपका प्रोफाइल मेरे पास जो आया था, जो मुझे डिम्पल ने दिया था,
हाँ जी.
उन्होंने कहा था कि आप ये आपका क्रिटिसिज्म क्वेश्चन है, इसलिए यू कैन आंसर इट द वे यू वांट टू. आपने जो अपने परिवार की आपके प्रति जो उदासीनता है,
ओके,
the interestlessness of your family towards your business,
okay,
you played as a victim card in your the information which you sent. How true is that? Is it true, or it just because I'm a woman, I have one card?
I don't look at it as a victim card. I would love for now, अगर मुझसे पूछा जाए, my journey has been so slow to reach here, and the kind of capability जो मुझ में और मेरी co-founder and also my sister we have as a force, I would have built this $1 million company way back. It's just that my journey has been really slow. तो मुझे सिर्फ उस चीज का दुख है, that correct, like I would have my caliber took a lot of time to reach where I am today, and I know that आगे वाली journey भी जो है वो दूसरों से comparatively थोड़ी सी slow रही है, because जब वो support होता है ना family से, तो zeal करना, that zeal is like on the next level. But right now
but sometimes it makes people weaker.
It does.
कई बार क्या होता है, परिवार सपोर्ट करता है, लोग इंटरेस्ट नहीं लेते फिर.
That's also true, and I think the good, if I have to look at the positive side of it, is that we are a profitable company from year one. So I think them not supporting us in the initial days, they've always supported us in a generic manner. जैसे we're so grateful they gave us their space to build our office, right? हमारा पहला office, वहाँ पे grow
Do you have any
करना.
brothers?
I do.
अच्छा, फिर then they have given you space.
They have.
Huh.
I mean, so
have you not been like, if you don't have a brother, then that space already belongs to you, right?
yeah. Yeah. But in our case, I mean, in that ways, I'm really privileged that my dad always says that whatever we have is divided by 5. So he looks at it that ways. I mean, all of these thought processes I've actually gotten from them. It's they say that, even though you're married or whatever, like you should always know
Was
this
your
is.
husband aware of it before marriage?
I don't think so.
Achha,
We didn't typically talk about it. So everything's like, even my mom, dad, they're not one entity. Like he says, it's divided by 5. It's me, my sister, my brother, my mom, dad separately. So, I mean, in that manner, he's never, done those biases on gender basis. He just did not have a lot of confidence in us because of the kind of business we were doing, because he did not understand them. If I would have gone ahead and told him that, mujhe factory lagani hai, he would have jumped on it turant and would have helped me out A to Z, right? Would have even put in the money. Having said that, it's not like he didn't put in the money. He gave us the only difference is कि जब लड़कों को बिजनेस करना होता है तो उनको फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स से ना एक चंक ऑफ मनी शुरू में मिल जाता है. जैसे
मुझे नहीं मिला, बट
नहीं, मैंने अपनी फैमिली का बता रही हूँ मैं. जैसे इफ दे हैव टू सेट अप अ बिजनेस, 1 करोड़ की फैक्ट्री लगानी है, तो जो भी पार्टनर्स आएंगे ना, तो दे गेट द मनी एंड दे पुट इट अप. बट इन आवर केस वी वुड हैव टू कीप ऑन आस्किंग फॉर थोड़ा थोड़ा करके, एंड वी हैड टू मेक श्योर कि we churn out every bit of it in the right way possible. So till date, it took us 2 years to properly establish it. We were simultaneously obviously doing business and were always profitable. We had taken 30 lakhs from my dad in the course of that period, and all of that is paid
Paid
for.
back.
Yeah.
अच्छा, बहुत बढ़िया. Otherwise you would have asked you कि मेरा वो दे दो, क्या कहते हैं, interest दे दो.
No. My dad is not that person at all.
So आपको लगता है कि जो DU में आपकी पढ़ाई है, NH7 है, सुपरसोनिक आपने करा, वीकेंडर करे, इनसे आपको जो ये द गुड रोड की एक तरह से ना उसको इनिशियल बेस इन लोगों ने बनाया आपके लिए. Do you agree
बिल्कुल.
with that?
Absolutely.
हाँ.
Whatever I've done, मेरा जैसी अपब्रिंगिंग हुई है, जैसी मैंने स्कूलिंग की है, जैसा मेरा कॉलेज लाइफ रहा है, उसमें थिएटर, एंड देन व्हेन आई गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू डू दीज लाइव शोज, एवरीथिंग हैज एडेड टू द जर्नी टुडे. No matter, you know, how I parted ways with my last video production company was not nice at all. I mean, we lost a lot of money.
क्या करते थे ऐसा वो लोग जो आपको फ्रस्ट्रेशन हो जाती थी, स्लो हैं क्या?
I mean,
What
they
were
would
they
take
doing?
up projects and they
हाँ.
would, throughout the process, they would keep on cribbing the clients. Keep, they're asking for so much. And I come from the thought process that be thankful that someone is giving you business, first of all. And second of all, if it was not good enough, you should not have taken it. If that process is so cribbing, you just don't realize आप कब वो relationship अपने client के साथ खराब कर लेते हो. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है, मैं till date, I'm in a client-centric business, right? I work with clients every single day. It's all about building relationships. If I keep on cribbing about, oh, they're asking to make us so many changes, oh, they want this, oh, they want that, then why am I in this business? Like, I mean, it doesn't make sense. So I didn't align with the basics only of how, you know, they perceived the whole outlook. The kind of business that you're building, you have to understand. So we have this really strict thing wherein, you know, we don't talk shit about our clients in our workspace, because उससे ना आप realize ही नहीं करते कि कब हमारा वो attitude सबके towards
Absolutely.
हो जाता है. So it's really important for
It's
me.
like एक स्कूल टीचर का एक मॉम का अपनी बेटी को ये बोलना कि स्कूल टीचर तेरे खिलाफ है.
Correct.
Because अब ये
Exactly.
बेटी पढ़ाई नहीं करेगी
Yeah,
क्योंकि उसके दिमाग में
true.
आ गया कि स्कूल टीचर मेरे खिलाफ है.
True.
So it's the same thing which happens with the clients. अगर आपने अपने बच्चों के सामने जो आपके लिए काम करते हैं क्लाइंट के बारे में क्रिप करना चालू कर दिया
Yeah.
तो इसका मतलब क्लाइंट खराब है, वो कभी कोशिश नहीं करेगा.
करेक्ट. सो हमें बस उस पर्सपेक्टिव से काम करना है कि वो क्लाइंट है, given that they are really difficult sometimes, but that's okay, that's part and parcel. And आप उसको crib करने की जगह अगर हम उसको ठीक से narrate करें, direct करें, expectations clear रखें. So I'm a big person of, like, you know, having proper systems in the office. So there has to be a proper system for everything, and setting the right expectations is so
Again, you are a
important.
crazy person. Why I would say that? Don't take it otherwise.
No.
Because I'm a very lazy man. I'm a businessman, right? I have businesses worth maybe 10 million or more.
Mhm.
But I'm the laziest man you'll ever find on earth.
Really?
As long as it's not about my clients and it's not about the
Yeah.
production पे impact ना पड़े. Otherwise,
Hmm.
you'll always find me कहीं इधर हूँ, कहीं इधर हूँ. Least bothered about things. You know.
Wow.
2-3 hours I just focus कि चाहिए ये काम करना.
But that has worked for you.
That's how I'm. See, what I believe, whenever I go to the colleges, I have a lecture pattern,
Hmm.
and I always tell them, the lion is not the strongest, fastest, slowest,
Mhm.
tallest, heaviest animal in the jungle, but when the lion gets into that fight or protecting his family or
Mhm.
doing his job, he fights as if his life depends on it.
Hmm.
Okay. So similarly, if you become a lion because you're not fastest, you're not
Right.
slowest. Like my wife is a crazy woman. She's like, हुआ नहीं, काम नहीं हुआ.
Hmm.
You know, ये नहीं हुआ, वो नहीं हुआ, वो नहीं हुआ. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि दे देगा भगवान, इतनी चिंता क्यों करते हो?
Right.
That's how I believe.
Yeah.
कि ठीक है, like I firmly believe that I'll have few things,
Hmm.
and whatever I believed in past, I already got them,
Yeah.
right?
Great.
So now I believe in few other things which I'll get. So
Hmm.
I always believe in that kind of thing.
Got
That, you
it.
know, मेहनत करनी है, कर लेंगे, इतने देर में रिजल्ट आ जाएगी.
Hmm.
मेरी पत्नी का ऐसा नहीं है कि
Hmm.
ये काम कैसे नहीं हुआ, oh my god, ये करना, ये करना, ये करना, ये करना.
Hmm.
And that's why she got married to me, because she wanted to kill that attitude. और वो जाते जाते भी नहीं जा रहा है.
I think that's just the nature of you, right? And I think both
Mhm.
of you complement each other nicely. So
Yeah.
at the end of the day, that works.
उसमें यही होता है ना कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे अगर आपकी वही पर्सनालिटी है उनकी जैसी है, आप लोग सुखी नहीं रहते हो. Like
Yeah.
you're not happy, you're not contented, you're like कल वाला प्रोजेक्ट करना है, अरे आज तो एंजॉय कर लो.
True.
Somebody asked भगवान बुद्ध
Hmm.
okay, कि सबसे ऊंचा भाग्य किसका है. भगवान बुद्ध को उनके डिसाइपल ने पूछा, तो भगवान बुद्ध ने कहा कि सबसे ऊंचा भाग्य उसका है जो अभी रास्ते में है,
Hmm.
जो जर्नी में है, उसका
Hmm.
सबसे ऊंचा भाग्य है.
Hmm.
क्योंकि उस तो डिसाइपल से नहीं, सबसे ऊंचा भाग्य तो आपका है,
Hmm.
क्योंकि आप तो बुद्ध हो चुके हो,
Correct.
लाइक यू ऑलरेडी एनलाइटेंड. भगवान बुद्ध से नो, मेरा वो वाला भाग्य नहीं, क्योंकि मैं ऑलरेडी डेस्टिनेशन पे हूँ.
Hmm.
बट यू आर इन द रास्ते में राइट
रास्ते
ना, तो
में।
तुम्हारा भाग्य यू डोंट नो कि तुम कहाँ जाओगे,
True.
राइट? तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि
That's a
आप
good
लोगों
way
को
of seeing
हाँ,
things,
आप
yeah.
लोगों को थोड़ा-सा फोकस करना चाहिए कि आज काम खत्म, अगले 4 घंटे मैं नहीं सोच रही हूँ, ठीक है? उसके बाद मैं जाऊँगी अगले वाले काम पे।
I'll teach me how to do
मेरे से तो अगला काम शुरू ही नहीं हुआ अभी तक।
that.
व्हाट आर योर हॉबीज अदरवाइज? मैंने वो बहुत पहले लिखा था सवाल पर अभी वो लिख दिया,
Acha,
सॉरी।
a lot. So again, thanks to my parents, they and also coming from Assam, we've had that
You
edge.
don't look like an Assamese.
I don't because I'm not Assamese.
Yeah.
Ha, I'm a
हाँ,
Banya. My father is from Haryana. My mom is from Sikkim.
हाँ, हाँ,
But both of them are Banya. They went to Assam because my father started this. He found this opportunity. He was really young. He just had उन्होंने सिर्फ 12th pass की थी and he went and built this business there. So I'm not Assamese, but the culture there it's brilliant. I'm so grateful for the those years and that I've been brought up in a place like Assam because it's really different from what you see in North India specifically because academics is not everything there. I mean, you could be an academically bright child, but every individual was made to participate and have an edge to their personality. कोई musician होगा, कोई sports में बहुत अच्छा होगा, and my parents, my mom especially, we're so thankful to her because she took out the time and made those efforts to take us to different classes after the school also. So that's how. So I've been a state level swimmer. I play violin professionally.
that's toughest.
Yeah.
That's toughest.
Yeah, and I have a diploma in art. So all of this is all because my parents have invested that kind of time in us.
ये वायलिन का क्या चक्कर है? जब तक आपकी आंखें बिल्कुल बंद नहीं हो जाती बिल्कुल, तब तक वो म्यूजिक नहीं निकलता, इसका क्या चक्कर है?
ऐसा नहीं है.
अच्छा,
हाँ,
क्योंकि
you
मैंने
can.
जिनको देखा ऐसा हो जाता है, मतलब क्या है? मुझे लगा कि या फिर एक्टिंग करते हैं, I don't
No,
know.
no, no. I think
हाँ,
it's just every musician handles an instrument
Hmm.
and or sings or plays in their own flair.
Hmm. How do
Just
you do that?
I have to see my hand movement.
Okay.
So you're using both your hands. Why is violin so tough? Is because both of your hands are doing different things at the same time. So I have to make sure that the note that I'm playing is on the right spot, and that's how I'm able to basically focus and filter out everything else. Like there's a मुझे ये trick आज तक नहीं आती. I cannot sing and play violin at the same time. I can hum the sur, but मैं गाना नहीं गा